Hello, hello. What is going on, everybody? It is Electro Living Weather here. And as we can see, we have some going on today. Alright. So we got some interesting stuff going on here. So, we got a moderate risk in the northern plains, um, North Dakota, and Minnesota, and also parts of Wisconsin there. So, yeah, right here is where we have that marginal. Midwest getting hit hard. Yeah. Yes. There is a lot of stuff going on today. And this marginal risk is actually for wind. It is indeed for wind. So as we see, our tornado risk, it's at 5%, and our hail risk is at 15%. So not something that would really cause a moderate risk. And then we get our wind, which is at 45%. And now that's why we have this more moderate risk, because of this humongous thing of winds going on. So very interesting that we are seeing this here. So as we can see, this is at the moment, and we got this big bow echo in parts of North Dakota and going into Minnesota. So we can really see that clean bow right there. I did not draw that right. Yeah, right there is where we are seeing that clean bow echo. And this is going to be moving down into Minnesota, so could potentially affect some of these cities down here in Minnesota. Duluth could be getting affected by this big bow echo. Fargo could be as well. So, by the way, Discord has a major outage right now, not allowing Discord members to not be able to join, to log in. Yeah, well, I don't know what happened. There was a temporary outage, but now it's back up. But I don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully it doesn't go down again, because that would be kind of bad if it did. But anyways, yeah, pretty weird how that's going on at the moment. So, my radar is glitched. Indeed, my radar is glitched. Why is that happening? The DC area. The DC area is potentially gonna get something, but nothing much. It's just gonna be passing under you. Um, so for it's just gonna be passing under you in Virginia. So I believe right in here is where the storms are gonna be, and really that's been happening. So yeah, there is some cape down there for thunderstorms to develop. Yes, Friday. I mean, things change. Things do indeed change. And yes, there were supposed to be a bunch of storms today, but maybe the chances have lowered. So anyways, this kind of sucks, guys. What is happening to my radar? Can someone tell me what's going on? Please. Please. Like, okay, it's showing this bow echo in South Dakota on this radar. But in North Dakota, well, I mean, on here, it's showing it in North Dakota. I'm confused. I'm confused. I am certainly confused. Anyway, oh yeah, there were 70-mile-an-hour gust reports in this thing. So we got a broken radar here. Bit broken. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Now I'm figuring out what's happening. Alright. Alright. So at the moment we are seeing very strong winds in this storm. And so yeah, all right there is where we are seeing strong winds. I see hill south of DC. So what's going on in here? Kind of a big thing of purple in there. Echo tops. Some fairly high echoes in here. $55,000 foot echoes. So Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Warwick, North Dakota. I got it mixed up. North Dakota until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail $half size possible. Dangerous hail that we were seeing at the moment. Um, Nothing for here at the moment yet. Doesn't mean that there won't be anything. There could be something. There could be something. So I did see some potential stuff going on right here. This kind of looks a little interesting. Let me. All right. We have a bunch of these TVSs though. We got two in there, and then a third one up there. So I am gonna take a look at all of those. I think we see two in here. Yeah, we do. Not much going on. All we see is damaging winds in here. So, a lot of damaging winds in this Bow Echo. Could be seeing a little connection here. So, I'm just gonna watch out for rotation in that. As we can see, the frequencies aren't really touchy. We can still kind of see that grain between them. And we really don't see that kind of shape going on here. So BRB taking a shower. All right, go do what you gotta do. That's we got 2 to 3 inch hail in this thing, so could be seeing a little something going on right here, which is kind of interesting me a little bit. Let me choose a different radar station to see if it'll show up a bit better. Nope, this one is glitched, or it's kind of glitching there. Let's see if this one, no, not really, so I'm just gonna stay on this one. do got some of those hail markers there though. So let me change. Eh. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Towner, North Dakota, Granville, North Dakota, and Karlsruhe. I think I'm saying that correctly. North Dakota until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail golf ball size possible. And that is for this bow echo that we are seeing right now. So, this thing is now entering Grand Forks. So, what is going on here? Nothing much. See a lot of damaging winds in this thing though, guys. We see echo tops going to 60,000 feet right there. So, anything? Just trying to check something. Nope, I'm gonna keep using this one. Alright. So get yoinked. Oh boy. So we can see that this thing is now starting to enter Minnesota. It is crossing the borderline right here, I believe. So severe thunderstorm warning including Leesburg, North Carolina until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail hot half dollar size possible. Severe thunderstorm warning including Harrisburg, North Carolina until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, wind up to 60 miles an hour, hail quarter size possible. That's in North Carolina. Okay, this one's for North Dakota. Devil's Lake, North Dakota until 6:15 p.m. each Central Daylight Time, wind up to 60 miles an hour, hail a quarter size possible. So, don't see any frequencies coming together yet here, but could be possible soon. Right here. Max amount of hail is 2 to 3 inch in size. So, damaging hail in this bow echo. So got those high echo top marks here, but not as high as before. I got that 55,000 foot echo top mark. Still got damaging winds going on right here. In there, we can I'm seeing at most of 60 mile an hour gusts. Before they were a bit higher, but now they've kind of gone down a bit. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Warwick, North Dakota until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, wind up to 60 miles an hour, hail golf ball size possible. Um do we got anything else besides this? This is where our moderate risk is, though. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Henderson, North Carolina, South Henderson, North Carolina, and Norlina, North Carolina, North Carolina until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail quarter size possible. So some interesting stuff going on in North Carolina as well. Let me open up a new one of these. Take a look at that, because why not? Pretty high echo tops in this though. Can't say that. 55,000 foot echoes in here. Actually, there's not much going on down there, so I'm just gonna keep an eye on here. So anyways, that's some damaging winds here. We got damaging winds in well, sort of damaging winds in a lot of these whites here. Pretty damaging winds in here though. So we got hail markers in this cell here at 2 to 3 inch in size, and we have a bunch of these other ones here which are indicating 1 to 2 inch in size. So and also some over here as well indicating the same thing, and this one here. So all of the yellow triangles are indicating hail. So yeah, we do got some hail going on in here. So severe thunderstorm warning continues for Henderson, North Carolina. Oh, I think I read that one already. Has the new notification thing on it, so that is why I was reading it out. Anyways, welcome back, Radical Charge. So, no more rain for DC. No, there's stuff south of it, but I don't think there's really gonna be much for DC. So, anyways, 2 to 3 inch hail markers in here, North Dakota. So we got damaging wind markers going, or those blues, which do indicate damaging winds. So I guess yes, damaging wind markers. In this pretty disgusting storm, it's a very nasty line. Severe thunderstorm warning, including Mayville, North Dakota. Until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, went up to 70 miles an hour. Yeah, that is for here actually. There is actually a severe thunderstorm warning right here. That is the one that I am reading at the moment. And hail quarter size possible. So damaging winds are, well, I mean, there are damaging winds in this storm right here. So yeah, yeah, we have an extended severe thunderstorm warning down here actually. Let me change colors of that down here actually. So by the way, I apologize if you hear stuff in the background. I can't control it. Like, so anyways, still see those like blues here. So severe thunderstorm warning continues for Leesburg, North Carolina until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wind up to 6 miles an hour. Hail golf ball sized possible. That is for North Carolina. Still got some hail going on. I apologize if you can hear stuff in the background. Like, I can't control it. Anyways. Let me turn up my noise suppression so you guys don't hear it much. Or turn it, yeah. I think that's good. All right. Um. Anyways, Yep, here was the continued severe thunderstorm warning. They just extended it. Thus we got a dangerous line of storms. It's a we got a bow echo right here, which these kinds of storms can be pretty dangerous for wind, and especially for the outlooks of today. We have a moderate for wind, 45% wind chances for all of up here. So this thing's just going to keep on going down into the wind or into the moderate zone. So and this thing seems to be moving really fast as well. So this will probably get through in no time. And around right here is where we are seeing those pretty high amounts of winds. So looks to be that it's kind of gone down a little bit, which is good news, but it looks to be that there is some, well, there are 6-mile-an-hour winds in here. So looks to be that they looks to be that it still will be severe warned for that. severe thunderstorm warning, including Lakota, North Dakota, McVille, North Dakota, and Michigan, North Dakota until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. I hope I'm not saying those towns wrong, because I suck at reading town names or saying town names. Anyway, wind up to 60 miles an hour, hail golf ball size possible, and a tornado is also possible in this severe thunderstorm warning that has just been issued in North Dakota. It's probably an extension to one of these. So, that new severe thunderstorm. Well, the new severe thunderstorm warning is this one, I believe. It is. Yep, it is. I am gonna take a look at the base velocity radar in this storm right here. If I am correct on where it is. Yep, it is this one here. This is right now what it's looking like at the moment. And we can kind of see the two colors being next to each other, but it looks straight. So and this is what they were saying, that there was a possible tornado in here. So this does look more straight, but an eye does need to be kept on it just for the safety. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Thief River Falls, Minnesota, Crookston, Minnesota, and Red Lake Falls, Minnesota, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 70 miles an hour. Hail quarter size possible. So we do got some wind going on in there. Anyways, now I'm kind of seeing that there. Hold on. Let me. Alright, guys. Yep. Now I can see the rotation right there. So right here's where it is. So some rotation is spotted in here, right there. And that is for this cell here, and we can see kind of this thing coming off of it, which is not so good to see. 55,000 foot echo tops. Pretty high, or not pretty, that's really high. So we got very high echo tops in this storm. But anyways, so for those who don't know what they are looking at on here, this is actually the base velocity radar. In case if you're new, I don't know if there's anyone new watching this, but if you are, as we can see here, we can see that the two colors are, or we can see that there's rotation right here. I can see that there's rotation there. So, and how I can see that is, the two colors here are connecting, and they're kind of going into, this kind of shape here. And that's kind of what we're seeing here. We can kind of see that thing here. And the two colors are touching each other right here. So, not really strong rotation, but it is still rotation. It's something that we need to keep an eye on. And that's true. As we can see there, it did update. It did indeed update. And still rotation here. So did weaken a little, but still something to keep our eyes on, and that's what I am gonna do. Right there is where we are seeing it, kind of. Spirit Thunderstorm warning continues for Devil's Lake. Did I read that? No, I didn't. I'm just gonna read it. Spirit Thunderstorm warning continues for Devil's Lake, North Dakota, Lakota, North Dakota, and Edmore, North Dakota until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail quarter size possible. Feel like I already read that, but read it again. Severe thunderstorm watch has been issued for parts of Minnesota, North Dakota, and South Dakota. So we have a new severe thunderstorm watch, and this is valid until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Saturday. Tornadoes, a couple tornadoes are possible, and yes, it's true. They are possible. We do have a 5% tornado chance. Doesn't mean that they're gonna happen. No. And that's happened before. I mean, there's sometimes been 5% tornado chances when there were none. Like there was not a tornado warning before in a 5% tornado chance. So yes, tornadoes, a couple tornadoes possible. Hail, scattered hail up to tennis ball size possible. And wind, widespread gusts up to 90 miles an hour possible, or expected. It's expected. So it looks like that this thing is gonna be very dangerous. Very intense winds. Very intense winds. That's very damaging. Wind gusts up to 90 miles an hour. That's extremely damaging. That will really damage a lot of things. So I'm gonna restart this because every once in a while it needs to be restarted. Anyways, so severe thunderstorm warning continues for McHenry County, North Dakota until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail quarter size possible. Not that many people are in this severe thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorm warning including New Rockford, North Dakota, Fort Totten, North Dakota, and Cheyenne, North Dakota until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 6 miles an hour. Hail golf ball size possible. So that one's got a little, or that one's got way more people in it, but and this is just something that we need to have our eyes on. I mean, very strong winds are possible in this. And they're expected. 90-mile-an-hour winds are expected. So, by the way, if you guys haven't, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Would really support. Would really appreciate it. Would support me. Leave a thumbs up on the stream and turn on notifications so you can get notified for my latest streams, and also be sure to join my Discord server. Link is in the description. I would be thankful if you did that as well. Anyways, severe thunderstorm warning continues for Concord, hope I'm saying that correctly, North Carolina, Kannapolis, North Carolina, and Harrisburg, North Carolina until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail quarter size possible. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for China Grove, North Carolina, Landis, North Carolina, and Granite Quarry, North Carolina until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail quarter size possible. Severe thunderstorm warning including Drake, North Carolina, Anna Moose, North Carolina, and not North Carolina, North Dakota. And Martin, North Dakota until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail golf ball size possible. So not yet to that extremely damaging wind mark, but winds are still damaging. Someone is wanting to call me. I cannot call. So I do apologize about that. And yes, it's on Discord. Let me write them a little. Do apologize about that. Anyways, don't know if they're in the stream, but whatever. Not much of anything going on anymore. Although high echo tops, 55,000 foot echo tops, right there. Kind of traced it badly, but I think you know what I'm directing to. Actually, this here is kind of concerning me a little bit. Looks small. Hey, Electro Vibes. Glad you are in here. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing very well. It is Friday, so happy Friday. Did forget to say that in the beginning of the stream. Happy Friday. I am glad it is Friday. Finally, it is Friday. We don't have many people in today's stream, strangely. I don't know why. Kind of strange. Anyways, but anyways, we got a moderate risk in the northern plains, North Dakota, Minnesota. Unfortunately, Minnesota has to be in this. Minneapolis is gonna get it tonight. Yeah. Glad you're doing good, Electro. Yeah, glad you're doing well as well. I don't know why I do that. I say well as well. Should probably say good as well. Grammar. Anyways, we got a TVS here. I am gonna look at this. LOL, no grammar police in here. Alright. I suck at grammar. I'm bad at it. Truly. I just suck at grammar. That looks like a mean cell. It's a pretty disgusting looking cell. I mean, it's not disgusting looking, but it is mean looking. There's possible things of rotation in here as well. Lots of bright red and pink. A lot of that, yeah. Precipitation radar. Got a lot of those bright purples, or lighter purples, which indicate very heavy rainfall and hail. I feel like we're getting some little spin-ups in this thing. We have been getting a little spin-ups. The bottom circle is nasty. Yeah, this thing here. About to fire up the scanner shortly. This is in Benson County. I am looking at Benson County at the moment. Severe thunderstorm warning including Fargo, North Dakota, Moorhead, Minnesota, and West Fargo, North Dakota until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 70 miles an hour and hail quarter size possible. So we do got damaging winds on here. Got a big outflow boundary here. Also known as a gust front. Yeah, we can see those light colors in there. Benson County is off. Benson County is offline for some reason. working for me. Oh, the radio scanners. I know there's been a lot of weird stuff going on with radar, apparently. Yeah, the radio scanners. Yeah. Also, this radar thing I'm using here was down. Like, I couldn't get onto it. Echo tops. Let's see the echo tops. That is a skinny pen. In there we got 60,000 foot echo tops. Very high echo tops. Got a little area of it. I'm on Brainbird's NOAA scanner. Severe thunderstorm watch till 1 a.m. in the area. Yeah, I did see that. The humongous severe thunderstorm watch until 1 a.m. 60,000. Yeah, we got 60,000 foot echo tops in Nelson County. Oh, we just updated and now we have only 55,000 foot echo tops. Pretty strong. Yeah, it's pretty strong. Oh, we have another thing of extremely high echo tops as well here. 60,000 foot echo tops right here as well. Extremely high. That is truth. This is the satellite imagery if you guys wanted to see that. Lightning. That's a tall storm. It is a tall storm. Very tall storm. I am being interested at this right now. We're seeing some spin up rotations. Like just, well, I mean, we're just seeing a lot of these here. Right here a little something, and also right here a little something. Also saw something here. Looks like a little This is what we're really seeing here, and this is in, just if you wanted to know what county this is in Eddy County. Some extreme rated storms. Pretty dangerous. The heat is gonna keep it bubbling. Yep, indeed. A lot of CAPE in this area as well. There is a lot of CAPE in here. Echo tops. 55,000 foot echo tops, so very high echo tops in this. Severe thunderstorm warning including Harvey, North Dakota, Fessenden, North Dakota, and McCluskey, North Dakota until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail golf ball size possible. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for McVille, North Dakota, Michigan, North Dakota, and Aneta, North Dakota. I think it's Aneta, North Dakota, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail lime size possible. A tornado is also possible. And where is that? I don't see that yet. Oh, it's right here. Severe thunderstorm warning including Carrington, North Dakota, Kinsale, North Dakota, and Sikeston, North Dakota until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail golf ball size possible. Hello, Radical. Explain CAPE for us. Is that cold air? No. CAPE is convective available potential energy, which is basically thunderstorm energy. And there is a lot of that in the northern plains right now. So anyways, Radical Charge. What is going on? Any CAPE in DC? There's some. There's some CAPE. There could be some development there. It's kind of possible. It's kind of possible that there could be some development in DC. But anyways, a lot of stuff going on at the moment. They mentioned pop-up storms possible. Yeah. Um. That is not what I wanted to go to. I wanted to go to here. Um, Eddy County. Yep, this is the county that I was on earlier, and it looks like that the rotations here are weakening, which is good news. Looks like here was kind of interesting though, as we can see in the blue area. Extremely warm temperatures, yes. Weakening rotation in Eddy County, North Dakota. Anyways, severe thunderstorm warning, including Carrington, North Dakota, Kinsale, North Dakota, and Sykeston, North Dakota, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Lakota, North Dakota, Prairie, North Dakota, and Brockett, North Dakota, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for New Rockford, North Dakota, Warwick, North Dakota, and Tokayo, North Dakota, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail, golf ball size possible. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Drake, North Dakota, and Moose, North Dakota, and Martin, North Dakota, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail, golf ball sized possible. So we've got a lot of continued stuff going on there, and a lot of new stuff there. All right, New Rockland. Anyways, so I see dark clouds. Could be something going on. Actually, kind of want to check that there's nothing going on there. Stuff passing under you. There is stuff passing under you. Sorry guys, just had to take a drink because I have been talking kind of a lot. Switch that on Bismarck's NOAA scanners. Severe thunderstorm warning moving east at 30 miles an hour. Got a severe thunderstorm warning in Bismarck. Oh, Bismarck. Long list of impacted places. There's a lot of places getting the storm. And there is a potential for this. Will it happen? Possible, but doesn't mean it will. This could be defined as a derecho. According to the new severe thunderstorm watch that has been put out, 90-mile-an-hour winds are expected, and also the 45% wind chance from the SPC. We could be looking at this thing as a derecho, which is a fast-moving, long-lived windstorm, and these things can actually travel very far. These storms have to have consistent 70 to 90 mile an hour gusts. Constant reports of 70 to 90 mile an hour gusts. Maybe even 100 gusts are possible in these, but excuse me, that has to be a very strong derecho. So it's possible that this here is a derecho, but and if this is, we would have our 6th derecho of the year, which is pretty incredible. But anyways, it's like a 5-county area. Yes, TWC said it was possible. It's possible. It is possible. I mean, you know, very dangerous storms here. Welcome, people. You've been doing this for an hour. Yes, I have. Anyways, hello. Welcome, people. I hope you are having a good Friday today. I am having a pretty good Friday today. We are seeing some very big stuff going on here. But anyways, yeah, I hope you're doing well. That's gotta be a beast of a cell. It is a beast of a cell. Beast of a cell. It's huge. Big bow echo that we are seeing at the moment in the northern plains. This heat, man, it's causing chaos. It is. New York? Go north of New York? There's a TVS. What? Let me see this. Because it is indicating a TVS north of New York. That's interesting. Let's see this. I can't get a good image. Dang it. This county. All right, there we go. So as we can see, we can see some rotation here. Radical charge is correct for once. I mean, not for once. He's been right a bunch of times, but he's a bit of a troller. Kind of likes to joke around. I mean, it's not a bad thing. It kind of brings some humor to the stream. But anyways, I mean, joking brings some humor. That's a good thing. What is a TVS? A TVS is a tornadic vortex signature, which can actually indicate rotation. So, what county is that? This is inside of Orange County, New York State. Yo, not for once. Take that back. I mean, okay. I mean, you've been right a bunch of times. All right. You've been right a bunch of times. He's been begging for something. Let's see the echo tops on this thing. Okay. 35,000 foot echo tops. Not bad. It's pretty high. Not as high as what's going on here in Dakota, in the Dakotas and the Northern Plains. This is incredible on what's going on up here. Please get tornado warning. Not sure if that's gonna be tornado warning. We got 2 TVSs. Sorry guys, I'm gonna be right back because someone just comes in and opens the door really dang loud. But anyways, yeah, I am gonna be right back for a minute. Alright, I am back. Just got myself some pizza because it is Friday. Fridays are always the best days for pizza. Of course, I mean Pizza Friday. Anyways, leave it up north. I got a radar in New York. That's what's up. Facts. Yes. Yes, indeed. Got some barbecue pizza. So good. Like the sauce is like the pizza sauce is barbecue. It's so good. It's got like a bunch of chicken and cheese on it. Not much going on. New York strong storm, but nothing major. Back up north I go. New York storm has a little bit of more rotation. Really? Yeah, the sauce makes the pie. Just my humble opinion. Kinda true. Not stronger, but still rotation. Still something. 40,000 foot echo tops. Wow. Seriously? Yep, we got some 40,000 foot echo tops in this storm. Anything going on here? That is kind of weird looking. Spin ups going on, maybe. Severe thunderstorm warning for that area is canceled. All right, good. That is good to hear. We still got a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings going on. Going back to Bismarax NOAA. Alrighty. I am just gonna keep an eye on for rotation, and I feel like I see one here. Something. There's possible rotation here. Possible rotation. That could be a big one to the left of my cursor. Yep, right here, as we can see. Hold on, guys. I am gonna be right back again. I am back. And right when I got back, I just saw that change. And yep, we are seeing some rotation going on. So yeah, we are now seeing some rotation. Excuse me. We are now seeing some rotation right here. So this could go tornado warned and shortly if the weather service catches this. Anyways, rotation going on just west of I forgot what I was gonna say. This is in Foster County, North Dakota. They're telling the folks to take shelter. Good to hear that. Golf ball size tail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Pretty dangerous storm going on here. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for New Rockford, North Dakota until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail quarter size possible. That might be for that might be for this one here. Yep, it surely is. Will remain mainly over rural areas. Yeah, at least it's not gonna be going through any town, like no major cities. No major towns, really. So, which is good news. Oh, wow. Wow, 70-mile-an-hour wind gust. That's high. That's strong. Guys, that is strong. That is pretty strong. Heavy rain continues for the New York storms. This looks interesting, guys. Echo tops. $60,000-foot echo tops right here. Let me switch radar stations just to see if that appears any differently. Just gotta stay safe with everything. Um Interesting right here. Blue in the middle. Right here, that is what we are seeing at the moment, which is pretty interesting to see. Right in there. Let me choose a different radar station, because that one's not that good. Here's one that I was using before. Yeah, that's weird. Probably just false data. Yeah, it's just false data. I did not mean to click that. It's just false data, yeah. Yeah. Um right there we could be seeing something. $55,000-foot echo tops, all right here in the kind of pinkish colors. More pinkish color. It's not really pink, but it's just more pinkish. Severe thunderstorm warning, including Cooperston, North Dakota, Findlay, North Dakota, and Binford, North Dakota until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour and hail golf ball sized possible. And that is for one of the swarms in North Dakota, part of the line. possible. This looks interesting. This looks interesting here. Here and here. It's gonna pass through a couple Native American villages. Possible. New York storm trying to make a hook. Huh. Brad, do you not see the beast? There's a beast storm here in North Dakota, that's for sure. Yeah, yeah, there's multiple of these. He's talking about the beast cell or the beast storm here in North Dakota, which is actually very strong. Remains in effect and remains in effect. Bow echo, kind of a bow, well, kind of a bow echo right there. Right there. You know, climate change has nothing to do with weather. Well, mainly not. It's just all about wind patterns. Just all about wind patterns. Anyways, I think we might be seeing a little something here. According to our base velocity radar. New severe thunderstorm warning in North Dakota. Severe thunderstorm warning including Wilton, North Dakota, Reagan, North Dakota, and Baldwin, North Dakota until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail $half size possible. So we do got some damaging hail in there. $half size possible, kind of damaging. Fairly large. Could crack your car's windshield, so we'll suggest you to bring that in. Wind and hail damage expected. I would really say that most of the damage would be from winds. Rad. Bruh. Face palm. I'm gonna restart the program again because it needs to be restarted a bunch of times. It's still 85 degrees there in North Dakota. Temperature does help storms develop and sustain. Also stronger hurricanes because of warmer oceans. listen, I mean, it's all about wind patterns. But for hurricanes, I do think that yes, pollution, like global warming, is kind of affecting that. But for like severe weather, not really. For severe weather, it's all about wind patterns and stuff. So severe thunderstorm warning, including Wilton, North Dakota, Reagan, North Dakota. Oh, did I already read that one? I think I did. My bad. Polar caps melting, hurricanes, wind patterns, twisters. That is correct, actually. Got this big, huge line of storms going down. That's going down. This is just, huh? This here's just going down. "12 years later, human extinction." Not true. Not close to true. Yeah, it's dropping south. It is dropping south. It's just going south. So Fargo could be getting a lot of the impacts. I think Fargo's going to get impacted by this part here. That's just going to keep going down into Fargo. Metro area. So this thing will be going into a major city, kind of a major city, Fargo, North Dakota. My gosh, it's been kind of a bit since we've had a moderate risk. Kinda has. Go into Fargo's. Looks like that little thing of rotation did diminish, fortunately. Pretty fortunate that it did. I mean, I'm going. Oh, oh. BRB. All right. Take your time, please. Looks like we got a outflow boundary going into Fargo. Gust front. These things can be pretty gusty. Pretty gusty. BRB, alright, Radical. Take your time, please. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Harvey, North Dakota, Fessenden, North Dakota, and McCluskey, North Dakota, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail quarter-sized possible. I really could see a lot of damage from the storm occurring at the moment. Why do I have this on there? What? My gosh. That's on accident. Back. Welcome back. My gosh, guys. Take a look at that. Kind of incredible. 60,000 foot echo top mark right there and right there. We got two storms having, or a part of this line of storms having 60,000 foot echo tops. Any more rotation with New York? Doubt it, but I don't know. Yeah, nothing much anymore. I mean, yeah, maybe a little bit, but not. It's not strong at all. Not. It is a very weak rotation. Very weak. A lot of lightning in these storms, guys. Dangerous amounts of lightning. Oh wow, I've already been streaming for 2 hours. Nice. Why is every storm near DC going south? Because they're going south? Don't think DC's getting much though, so welcome back Electro Vibes. Had to grab something to feed the beast. We have heat and cape. What else do you want? I mean, wind patterns. Wind, jet stream. That matters too. I think that's a thing why storms are not going to DC because of wind. And also some big barriers around there too, so news for Thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Wilton, North Dakota. Wait, is that it? If I'm looking at the right. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Wilton, North Dakota, Reagan, North Dakota, and Baldwin, North Dakota until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail $50 size possible. Multiple counties. Tri-County. Severe thunderstorm warning. That's what it looks like, yeah. Reload the radar. Moving east at 30 miles an hour. Rotation is coming back with New York storm and stronger. Other cells are moving southeast. Yeah. A lot of these are moving. Oh, we got some forming stuff down here. Maybe if my radar isn't, is probably just glitching. No, we got some stuff forming down here as well. This will be moving southeast. All this here is just going to be moving south-southeast. Oops, that is not what I meant to do. Gust front hitting Fargo now. Right there. Rotation in New York? Really? Oh, he's right. He's right. Dude got extremely weak rotation though. He is still right. Hook? I don't see a hook. I really don't see a hook in this thing. Still looking at that rotation there anyways. I am gonna go back to looking at this big cell right here. Wrong one. Check New York Tower, not Philadelphia. What? Guess I'll look at that one. That'll just show the same thing, really. I mean, just add different angles. That's it, in my opinion. Anyways, I gotta keep an eye on this cell here, and I'm looking at this, the wrong thing. Yeah, I gotta keep an eye on this thing here. I am just gonna keep looking at this cell here. Anyways, you got anything? Beast is still going. rotation right there. There's some rotation right here. And this is in Wells County. Wells County, North Dakota. Oh boy, I'm getting tired already. Why? Just why? Why am I already getting tired? Anyway, I'm just stay using this radar station because it's the best one. Shows it all. Shows most of it anyway. What are the echo tops? I was looking at this one. Highest is 60,000 foot echo tops, which is kind of crazy. $60,000 echo tops. Yeah. In Sheridan County. Sheridan County storm. Which is not looking like anything, but pretty big. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Cooperstown, North Dakota, Binford, North Dakota, and Hannaford, North Dakota until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail quarter size possible. And that's for right. Wait. That's for right here, I believe. Sorry, I just had to think. Just had to think, guys. By the way, if you guys haven't, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, like the stream, and turn on post notifications so you can get notified for my latest streams. Also, be sure to join my Discord server. Link is in the description. I'd be very thankful if you did that. Anyways. How long till it hits Minneapolis? Could be a little bit. How fast is this moving? That's something I can't say. This storm, okay, it's moving east at 65 miles an hour. This thing here is moving east at 65 miles an hour. So it'll be could be a couple hours until it gets down to the Minneapolis metro area. So it's moving really fast. Like, it's moving incredibly fast. I'd say around 10 to 11. Yeah, I'd probably say that as well. So yeah, probably in a couple hours it'll get down there. Most of these are not moving very fast. 15 to 20 miles an hour. That's how fast these are moving. They're all moving east. I mean, this one here is moving east at 45 miles an hour, which is kind of fast. I mean, this thing here is moving very fast. Very, very, very fast. Um, let's see what else there is. Not much for rotation going on at the moment. I'm just keeping an eye on rotation. Anyways. So got very damaging winds. Pretty damaging winds. That is not updated. Okay. Pretty damaging winds still. had to close that out. Storm south of DC is coming north. There's really no storms south of DC. There isn't even a storm south of DC. Not anything. Maybe just this little shower, but there's nothing south of DC. It's looking like anything, not really. Let's see our thunderstorm warnings. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Pueblo, New Mexico. Clines Corners, New Mexico until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Wind up to 70 miles an hour. Hail penny size possible. Storm in New Mexico having damaging winds. That's kind of interesting. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Wilton, North Dakota, Reagan, and Baldwin, North Dakotas until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 70 miles an hour. Hail's $half size possible. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Cooperston, Hannaford, and Sudden, North Dakota until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail quarter size possible. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Fessenden, Wing, and Bowden, North Dakota until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail quarter size possible. Special weather statement right there. And as for all of these storms here. Rain showers forming around DC. What? Oh. There's some stuff. I mean, it's just showers. It's nothing major. Like, not even close to major. Like that, those are just little rain showers, man. Just watch for development, though, so. Um. Nasty line of storms. Nasty line of storms here, though. I'm just gonna keep an eye on. I'm just gonna keep looking at this. Because really, this is the big thing going on today. I mean, marginal risk in here. I'm not marginal risk, moderate risk in here. Humidity isn't the only thing storms need. They need lots of things, not just humidity. Humidity does help development, though. It can. Cape is really what they storms need. That's the big thing. And also wind patterns. New York storm is getting stronger. Not much going on in DC at the moment. Nothing's changed. Nothing, absolutely nothing's changed. Not in my eyes, anyway. This is really glitchy. I don't know why, but this radar here is kind of glitchy, if you ask me. I'm here just on a call. Alright. Lightning? What? There's no lightning? Oh, that's not what I meant to click. I mean, there's no lightning near DC. What? I mean, there's old strikes there, but not much. Check lightning tracker, New York. There's nothing, man. There's nothing. Flood advice? No, flood warning. Flood advisory. Yeah, flood advisory. Um, anyways, I think I'll be streaming for 30 more minutes and then I will end it. Just gonna go on for another 30 minutes. And then, yeah. Anyways. By the way, if you guys haven't, make sure to subscribe. It would really help support my channel. Like, also be sure to like the stream and turn on post notifications so you can get notified from my newest stream. And also be sure to join my Discord server because link is in the description. I'd be very thankful if you did that. But anyways, oh boy. Um, Super Thursday morning, including Castleton, North Dakota, Mapleton, and Argusville, North Dakota, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind up to 60 miles an hour. Hail quarter size possible. Oh, there's a is that continued? Nope, that is a new one. So there's a new severe thunderstorm warning in North Dakota here. Um, Um. Sorry about that, guys. If you can hear that in the background. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna end this stream here. Because there's not much going on. So, yeah, at the end of every stream, I do SBC outlooks at the end of every stream. So, for the next day and the day after. So, anyways, of course, here was today. Marginal risk. I kind of feel like they should have put it down to a, I don't know. I don't think it should have been a moderate risk. I think it should have been a enhanced risk. I don't really think it was that and like that much for a moderate risk, but anyways, so here is for tomorrow, and as we can see, we see a slight risk. This could change into something else. It could stay, but yeah, we have a slight risk in the yellows there in the same, well, really in, well, parts of the slight risk is in the same area where the moderate is. So and a bunch of slight risks, or big area slight risk here, and the green and the dark green, and then pretty much the light green is just general thunderstorm risk, not severe. We do have a tornado risk tomorrow as well. It's a 5% tornado chance in the kind of brown here. And here in the green we see a 2% chance, 5% in the brown and 2% in the green. Hail chances 15% and 5%. 15 in the yellow and 5 in the green. We see a big area of that as well. And the wind. And this is really what's creating the slight risk, is the wind. And then here's a day after tomorrow. Moderate risk, or not moderate, marginal risk. I actually kind of feel like the day 3 categorical outlooks are always marginal risks for some reason. But oh yeah, and the probabilistic. So we have 2% of something or 5% of something. But anyways, yeah, doing that does mark the end of my stream. I do thank everyone for joining into today's stream. We did have a pretty intense SBC categorical outlook here. We had a moderate risk, which is actually kind of I don't really think I've done a live stream on a moderate risk in for forever, but little something happened. Don't really think it. I think it should have been an enhanced risk, not a moderate risk. No, just my opinion. Um, Based on what's been going on today, I just think that this should have just been an enhanced. I mean, it wasn't that much, in my opinion. But anyways, yeah. If you haven't, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the stream, and turn on post notifications so you can get notified for my latest stream. Also, be sure to join my Discord server. Link is in the description. Would really appreciate it if you join that. Anyways, thank you all for joining into today's stream. And don't know if I'll be streaming tomorrow. Things could change. I usually stream on enhanced and up. Unless if there's some big going on for weather and in a slight risk, then could probably go live. But anyways, I'll catch you all later. See you soon.